Hello guys, and today we will be repossessing Evan's car because he is a broke ass nigga and can't pay his car insurance. Now to repossess Evan's car.
Now to go to Dave and Buster with Nick and Caden. Huh? Where the fuck is my goddamn car? I am calling Timebuyer and they better not have repossessed my car. Because if they did, they are so grounded for 1,000 decades. Hello? Timebuyer. Did you repossess my car? What? Why? Oh, whoa, 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 I am coming down to that goddamn store, and when I get there you have a serious punishment coming. Oh, whoa, 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 Timebuyer, how dare you repossess my car? That is so it. You are grounded for 755489587849348578493048578 decades. Go to your room now.
Wah 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 wah.